Salesperson or product expert? What's the best? Well, I'll tell you what, product experts are great with all the mumbo jumbo. They can tell you about the Apple CarPlay, they can tell you about the limited slip differential, they can tell you about all that stuff in the car. But you know what? They're not so great at finding the car that's right for you and that fits the budget that you need to live with. So what's best for us is that we have a salesperson that also is a product expert, so they not only can tell you about all the mumbo jumbo in the car, but they can also tell you about how that car fits your needs and how it's going to fit your budget. Come see us at Gordon Chevrolet for the best experience. Fast, friendly, transparent. Gordon Chevrolet, 5 miles south of the Orange Park Mall on Blanding in Orange Park.